So another example of indefinite integral. First we have to see this equation very carefully. Think about this equation, how to get a doable equation from this equation. Okay, we know the formula 1 plus cos A. So we have to apply this formula in this equation. So let's see how to apply 1 plus sin x by 2. We can write this equation as cos square x by 4 plus sin square x by 4 plus 2 sin of x by 4 cos of x by 4. Okay, and we minimize this equation as cos of x by 4 plus sin of x by 4 whole square. Now we remove the root over. So we get the equation cos of x by 4 5 plus sin of x by 4. Okay. So now we put this equation in this form. Now we apply the formula both of parts of this equation and we get sin of x by 4 divided by 1 by 4 plus minus cos of x by 4 divided by 1 by 4 plus c, where c is integrating factor. So next line we get the conclusion of this equation. 4 into sin of x by 4 minus cos of x by 4 plus c. Here the result of this equation.